as we sit here in the summer of 2020, one thing that has not really slowed down are people's love of water sports and being out in the water as long as there's safe social distancing. And Sean, Lamar is getting ready to do some boating and has a question for you. He wanted you to sort of explain BUI and what the Marine Patrol is looking for when they actually flag someone down. As I mentioned, he's getting ready to get back on the water. A lot of joy boating down here on Clarks Hill Lake, but just wants to be safe.
Sure, Neil. Great question. And I myself try and spend just about every weekend on the water, whether it be the lake or the Savannah River when I'm not playing golf. So I feel it. The key thing we have to think about here is the safety of yourself as well as the safety of everybody else on the water, especially the people that you have on the boat with you. And you really have to treat it just like a motor vehicle. And just like you're out here driving on the roadways. The Department of Natural Resources have a little bit of more power on the water than regular law enforcement officers do on the roadways, because they can stop any boat and they don't need probable cause or reasonable suspicion to do so. They can stop a boat or a vessel to do a safety inspection. During that safety inspection, that's exactly what they're looking for. That the people on the boat, are operating the boat lawfully, that everybody has the required amount of safety equipment, life jackets, whistle, fire extinguisher. Those are all on the boat in the necessary numbers that need to be based on how many passengers are on the boat. And they're obviously going to be looking for signs of impairment, whether it be, visual open containers on the boat, which is not against the law, especially, for passengers, but you have to treat boating under the influence just like you were driving a car. If you're under the influence to a point that you're a less safe driver of that vessel because of alcohol or drug consumption, you're subject to being charged with boating under the influence.